Hello, welcome to my space station. Today we will talk about something different. We will talk about a Chinese mission today. We usually talk about Russian and US missions, but today it's time for China. So the thing of China we're talking about today is the Chang'e 5 mission. It was launched to the moon by China in 2020. So first let's learn a bit about Chinese Space Agency. It is called CNSA and it is a government agency of China. Just like America has NASA, Japan has JAXA, and so China has CNSA. This is the agency that handles all of the space work. I'll make a video about the CNSA in a later. So please soon to check it out. So let's talk about Chang'e 5. So Chang'e 5 is a moon rover that was launched by China in late 2020. It is actually not an definite rover. It is basically a combination of a rover and a satellite. So basically it is a satellite that has a small rover attached to it. The rover would separate from the satellite and would land on the moon's surface. Its job is not to collect information about the moon. Its job is to collect samples from the moon and return them back to Earth. This is the Chinese first sample return mission, and the last one was by the Soviet Luna spacecraft during the space race. So this mission sent a sort of rover down, and the rover landed on the moon surface. And a fun fact about Chang'e 5. Chang'e is a name of a Chinese moon goddess. So back to the space work. So when the rover landed, it collected samples of the moon surface, around 1000 and a small amount grams. So the samples were collected and stored inside this sort of rover that I'm talking about. And then the rover launched back up and then connected with the small satellite. Then the satellite brought the samples with the rover back to Earth, and a sort of like a human capsule. Like we can take the example of the Soyuz, just like the small human capsule in the Soyuz where the astronauts come back from. Yes, that sort of cone-shaped spacecraft sort of thing brought the samples back down to Earth for investigation. This was the Chang'e 5 mission. And so it helped us discover more about the moon and is there actually water on the moon. The Chang'e 5 did make a few other discoveries, such as spotting weird stuff on the moon that alien lovers said that it was aliens, but the Chinese said no, it has to be something else. And I still see another picture of the Chang'e 5 that spotted a bit of house-shaped structure in the distance. This could be a moon rock, or who knows, they didn't investigate too much. So this was all of the mission of the Chang'e 5. I will also share more updates about the Chinese missions because they are advancing a lot in space. Actually, I didn't know that much about them. I thought they were not doing that much, but actually they're doing more stuff than big agencies like NASA. They are building their own space station with no international collaboration. Its space station is named Chang'e. And it is a very big space station, and Chinese humans are going there, but they're not staying there forever. So they're gonna make it so that astronauts can stay there forever. So I will share the details about more of the Chinese space missions, and so I'll hope to see them. And I see you in the next video. This was all for today. Thank you.